So for today's WordPress video, I'm going to show you how you can FTP to your WordPress host and how you can upload files to your WordPress website, or download files or modify them, how you can access those files. So the way you do it is through FileZilla or any FTP client. I recommend FileZilla because it's a free software, and it also works on Windows and Mac. So once you download this software, I'll show you how it works. Let me open it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go to File and Site Manager, and I'm gonna create a new site. So I'm gonna FTP to a prettier web. So if you already have a domain name and it's already hosted on the site, and it's already all working there, you simply just the URL will be ftp.yoursitename.com, and the port is always 21 for FTP. And I'm going to select normal for login type. And when you sign up for like Bluehost or HostGator or SiteGround or any of those popular self-hosted websites, shared servers, they automatically create an FTP account for you, and it's going to be the same account that you use to log in to their service and the cPanel backend. So for me, that's my login and my password, and I'm going to simply click connect. And then I get this certification message, which is fine. And you see I'm connected to the server. So by default, you'll get thrown into the root directory, and your files will be all under this public HTML directory. And so I have a few installs here, but let me just hop into my a prettier web install so you can see the WordPress files. This is mostly the WordPress install, a few others, but if you want to go to your theme files, it's under WP Content and Themes. And you'll just find the directory under which your themes exist. And you can go there to edit CSS files. If you want to edit things on your local server, then just select a folder where you want to download. Let's say I will select download. So this left-hand side is now my current my local server, and the right-hand side is the host. So simply just drag and drop a folder, a file, an image to your local desktop or laptop, and it will copy over all the files. And you see here messages about which files are transferring right now, and it will just stop giving these statuses when it's all done. So it's as simple as that. Oh, I want to show you one more thing. If you're in the process of maybe moving from one host to another, if you don't really have a domain name set up, but you do have your host and you want to get started on your install, I'll show you one quick trick to FTP. Instead of that ftp.url.com, you can use this instead, and that is your host name. So this is Bluehost right now, and the cPanel's on the left-hand side, and you just scroll down and look for the host name, and you will throw that into here. Port is still 21 as usual, and you still use your same username and password you do to log into your site, and you'll also get access to those files. So yeah, so I hope that makes sense, and you've learned something here, and I'll have more tutorials on WordPress soon.